Welcome to my new video. This is just a quick video. A mate of mine had trouble cleaning or getting to solder because his tip was oxidised, a bit like this one. That will be the next video, actually, showing people how to use one of them or some of that. Amazingly, some people who don't solder a lot don't know how to clean a tip, Anyway, he bought a little kit off eBay. One of these variable controls. They go from about 10 watts to 40, I think it's one of those at 10 to 60. Anyway, as you can see, the problem is it gets a little hot. Look at that. That bloody thing's glowing. Amazing. The tip is absolutely red hot. You could not leave this unattended because it'll burn your house down. There's no thermal runaway control at all, maybe a faulty controller. I don't know, but it's got no temperature control at all. Totally dangerous, good for the bin. It will burn your house down. There's loads of these on eBay and Amazon. If you're going to buy a soldering iron, please buy a branded soldering iron, like Weller and that, and Draper. Draper do some bargains, do some cheap ones, less than £10 UK. Never buy cheap, unbranded soldering irons. It's a bit like buying, cheap Chinese phone chargers. They're going to burn your house down. Is it worth taking a chance? You pay a little bit more money. Do not buy junk like this, please. Because here, I'll try some solder on it. Straight off, it's never going to stick. It's just far too hot. Look at that. Amazing. This should, I think it is, yeah, it's a 60 watt this is, but it's running, my watt meter's on there, look, it's running 32 watts. So it's below what it should be. This should get to about, what was it, about 300, is it 190 to 190 degrees Celsius? Which is about 370 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that. This is way over that. As you can see, it's glowing. This thing should not glow. Totally dangerous. And if I actually pick it up, that is, oh my god, oh god, that's hot. That's almost too hot to pick up. Wow. Yeah, that is totally dangerous. This will 100% burn your house down. Let me turn the lights off. Look at that. I just don't know how they get them into the country. I mean, people have got to know. Totally dangerous. Yeah, my next video, I'm going to be showing people how to clean tips. I mean, there's my soldering iron. I haven't got a fancy one, I've only got a Draper, a lot of variable one, to make my transmitters that I sell. I sell these on eBay. And my website. Here's some here without the covers on. These are these go over a mile, well over a mile. They're on 433 megahertz. If you're interested, go and have a look. Let me, I'll leave a link, but they are great transmitters. But just a warning, please do not buy cheap soldering irons. I think these are about £7 UK on their own. With maybe a tip or two spare. But my mate got it as a part of a kit with 3 or 4 tips and a couple of tubes of solder. But don't be tempted, please. Buy a branded one. Look at that. It's quite frightening, really. And it's even too hot to pick up. Yeah. You wouldn't want that in your hand for too long now. And solder, as you can see, it just bounces off, look. So it's completely useless as a soldering iron. It's variable. I've got it on maximum to show it glowing, but even when it's low on 12-13 watts, you can still see a glow in the tip of it. Yeah, it certainly still glows anyway when it's right down. It's just totally useless. Totally dangerous. So folks, please buy branded items, well, soldering irons at least. Don't skimp on a couple of quid, you know, saving a couple of pound, because they're totally dangerous. I'll see you in the next video. You all take care.